our brothers in Ethiopia, and as I just came from Kampala to meet with the leaders of troop contributors to Somalia in order to unite against our enemy, Al-Shabaab, who committed atrocity against innocent people. We lost over 300 innocent people, and of course over 400 were injured. And this menace and threat really is not a threat to this terrorist. This is not only a threat to Somalia, but also to our neighboring countries. That's why I'm here to seek support and solidarity with our brothers here in Ethiopia. And now I will also go to Djibouti to do the same thing and to unite in this war against Al-Shabaab, who is really threat and to the peace and stability in the region. And I believe that when we unite against this threat, we will be able to defeat quickly. Otherwise, this kind of atrocity will continue to destroy humanity wherever they are, whether it's in Somalia or other. Also, we are very grateful and thankful for the Ethiopian health community who provided medicine and doctors to Somalia, who will be very helpful to our injured victims of that car bombing that took place on the October 14th. This is something we always anticipate and expected from Ethiopian government and its people to support their brothers and sisters in Somalia, especially in this time of need.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.